Hello friends, today we learn how to make 5-volt adjustable current power supply easy at home. For making this project we need some components: TIP3055 transistor, LM7805 voltage regulator, BD139 transistor, 4700 microfarad 35-volt capacitor, 220 microfarad 35-volt capacitor, 10K variable resistor, 10A10-2 diode, 1N4007 diode, heat sink, 12-volt or 24-volt 10 ampere transformer, soldering wire, soldering iron, PCB board. First, make circuit diagram. Transformer has two sides. Primary side used for 220 volt input power. Secondary side has 3 pin. Connect 10A10 diode with first pin. If you use 12012 transformer, then leave second wire and third wire use for ground wire. Now positive side of 4700 microfarad capacitor connect with second side of diode, and negative side connect with ground wire. Now input wire of voltage regulator connect with second side of diode. Now 1N4007 diode connect with ground wire of voltage regulator like diagram. Now collector pin of BD139 connect with output wire of voltage regulator. Now variable resistor middle pin connect with base of BD139. First and third pin connect with collector and emitter pin, like diagram. Now TIP3055 transistor base pin connect with emitter of BD139. Now collector pin connect with input pin of voltage regulator. Now positive side of 220 microfarad capacitor connect with emitter pin of TIP3055, and negative side of capacitor connect with ground wire. And finally TIP3055 emitter pin use for positive output and ground wire use for negative output. BD139 has 3 pin. First emitter, second collector and third base. TIP3055 has 3 pin, first base, second collector and third emitter. Now connect all components on PCB board using circuit diagram. Project is ready for test. You can see output voltage is round about 5 volt. You can adjust current using variable resistor as your desire. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.